Okay, it is Monday, December 7th, 2020, and here is what you're doing today. How are you feeling? And here's your to-do list. Our read aloud will be at 9:05, and remember we're on Zoom now instead of Google Meet. If you can't join us then, here is the chapter. We're on chapter 27, so we're getting close to being finished. And then the word wizard will be correct. So if you come join us during the Zoom meeting, I do the word wizard with you guys. Okay, for math, we are on lesson 16. So watch, so this is vocabulary. So do this first, and then watch Mrs. Schiffman's lesson. And set a timer for 10 minutes, see how much you can get done, and then please make sure that you do your exit ticket. Okay, so if you're on lesson 17, that means you've done 1 through 16 and you can move on. Take a break after that. For language, we're going to do Mexico and Brazil, a spelling pretest, and then there is a video with the spelling list. So don't cheat, just watch the video on the spelling pretest and do that. And remember, you can pause it, write the word, and then move on. Okay, so first we're learning about Mexico, and then Brazil. And don't forget to click on these links so that you can watch those fun things. And here's the spelling pretest. So stop here. Don't go to the next one to see how it's spelled. And Mrs. Schiffman's doing the spelling pretest with you. So play, pause it, write the word, and then resume. Here are the words for this week. Spelling list number 7. And they're all closed syllables. So watch that video, and then that's it. You're done. Don't forget to submit your assignment. Please let me know if you have any questions, and I hope you have a great day and a good week. We'll see you soon. Bye.